Well, I'm here at the workshop of Martin Lane, and Martin and I go back to what, around about 1985?
Yeah. College.
Yep.
Taught me at college.
Rycotewood College, and Martin was one of the star students, a specialist in veneered work, but Martin is actually helping me solve a little problem. I'm modifying an electric guitar using plywood, and I want to use a really nice face veneer, and we're looking through, wow, that looks tasty, Martin. What's
Cluster oak, basically. I used this for a bookcase years ago. There you go, that's all right.
Beautiful. So what's this one?
Olive ash. So heartwood,
Look at that.
where the Cambrian layer has got a disease in it, basically. But it's still solid timber and it's fine. But it is wicked.
Very, very nice.
Well, this is wicked.
Yeah.
But that's me. I love wicked veneers like this all the way. God.
Over here we've got some maple.
Ripple, semi-rippled maple, actually, I think.
Because I think a light colour would be really good
It's
for the
quite
guitar.
open crown as the veneer goes. Like, that's quite nice, actually.
Martin's even featured in my book, The Encyclopedia of Woodworking Techniques, with a beautifully inlaid humidor, which is what he specialises in. Well, it's good to catch up with you, Martin, and we also did a video on traditional veneering, if you remember, that Andrew Humphreys started.
Oh God, yeah.
And you did the voiceover of it because he clammed up in front of the camera, even though he was brilliant in front of students. So 25 years later, you, Martin Lane, did the narrative on that video on hand veneering techniques. But this is fantastic, Martin, because I'm modifying an electric guitar using a plywood base. This will sit over the guitar, and it's an electric guitar, nice rosewood fingerboard, and all the knobs here. And I may do a little bit more of a cutout to make it look a bit more unusual.